Under the radar, a crisp image of what appears to be the official DJI Mini 5 Pro retail box surfaced online. The leak, originally shared by tipster Jasper Ellens on X, suggests an accidental print job inside DJI's own production line, yet. For drone fans, it's diamond-in-the-rough material. The packaging looks authentic, and it confirms that this model is on the verge of launch. Why this could be a real step forward compared to the Mini 4 Pro, which disappointed many by feeling like a modest refresh, the Mini 5 Pro seems geared to outclass its predecessor convincingly. Keywords like ultralight drone, pocket-sized, filmmaker, travel drone upgrade, and content creation drone resonate with digital creators hungry for a proper leap in capability. Sensor upgrade, 1-inch CMOS sensor. The standout spec, DJI reportedly upgraded the Mini 5 Pro to include a 1-inch CMOS image sensor, a significant jump. That kind of sensor usually belongs in pricier, full-size drones. This enhancement opens up better dynamic range, low-light performance, and cleaner footage overall, especially in golden hour or dusk scenarios, dramatically outperforming Mini 4 Pro's modest sensor. Cinematic video boost, a massive plus, 4K video recording at 120 frames per second. That level of frame rate enables hypersmooth slow motion, unlocking creative shots perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok clips, or cinematic B-roll. There's keyword synergy here with slow-motion drone capture, vertical content ready, and high frame rate aerial footage. Gimbal enhancements and vertical mode. The Mini 5 Pro gimbal can reportedly rotate up to 225 degrees, expanding creative shot possibilities. Think bridging undershoots or upward panning with cinematic flair. Crucially, DJI is reportedly enabling true vertical video capture, which is a game-changer for content creators. Now you don't need to crop sideways footage. For TikTok or Instagram, film vertical straight from the drone. Still photos and mid-telephoto mode. For photo users, there's a boost, 48MP stills, plus a mid-telephoto mode that allows digital zoom without much loss in clarity. This works well for capturing distant scenes, mountain ranges, cityscapes, or even candid family moments, with crisp detail. Keywords: high-res aerial photography, zoom drone photography, detail-rich drone shots. Obstacle sensing, front light sensor. A first for DJI's ultralight class, a front-facing auxiliary sensor that improves obstacle awareness, even at night. This isn't just your standard daytime obstacle avoidance, it's a safety net for low-light flights. That elevates the drone's reliability for gateway users or solo flyers capturing dusk or dawn scenes. Active Track improvements. Active Track is reportedly expanded to support runners, cyclists, and dynamic solo subjects. It means no more relying on friends to film you. You can set it up, tap record, and let the drone follow for polished chase shots. This keyword-rich content connects with solo drone filming, tracking shots, and automated filming drone. Battery and flight time, incremental gain. The Mini 5 Pro reportedly offers up to 36 minutes of flight time, a modest improvement over prior models. It's not dramatic, but combined with the upgraded sensor and tracking features, it gives filmmakers a more satisfying buffer for creative takes. Regulation watch, under or over 249 g. The leaked box calls the drone ultralight and foldable, but does not disclose weight. If DJI pushes it just above 249 g, users in regions with weight-based drone laws could be impacted. That uncertainty is fueling speculation. Will DJI adjust materials to keep it below the 249 g threshold, or introduce a heavier version dubbed Mini 5 Pro Plus? It's a vital keyword issue for compliance-aware buyers. 249 g drone, drones under 250 grams, drone law-friendly weight. Worth the hype or not? From the specs we've seen, this could be DJI's most compelling compact drone yet. Between the 1-inch sensor, 4K 120 frames per second, vertical capture, and improved tracking, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a serious tool for creators. If it stays under 249 g, it may claim the ultralight crown. If not, buyers may weigh whether paying extra is worth the features. How it ranks versus Mini 4 Pro and Mini 3 Pro. Glasp user highlights of previous DJI releases note that models like the Mini 3 Pro earned praise for blending portability with 4K 60 frames per second video and 48MP photos, but reports suggest the Mini 5 Pro brings these spec levels further: higher frame rates, better sensor, advanced tracking. That smooths the path for content producers seeking cinematic drone B-roll, pro-level portability, and automatic tracking drones for solo shooting.